My name is Mahib, and I'll be doing the demo for this week's project. Um, I work with Diego, Mutab, and Salman to create an AI named Professor bot. So yeah, let's just get started with the demo. So yeah, you can see once you click the link, it takes you to this website. We deployed this on Vercel as well. So let's just test this out. Say, hey, can you recommend me some good professors? You can see that the bot responds intelligently and gives me like three professors that are like really good, and they're all rated 5 out of 5. And by the way, these are all professors that are stored in our Pinecode database. So yeah, so we also implemented like a filtering system, an advanced filtering system. So let's just say like if I didn't implement that, or if we didn't implement this, then I could say the user could say something like, "Oh, can you recommend me one good math professors?" And then the bot would like respond with a math professor, but then a response with other like professors that are not related to math. So we fixed that issue, and then let's just test that out right now. Hey, can you give me a professor that teaches math? And then yeah, so it says three right now because we didn't specify it. Say about me. Can you give me one professor who teaches English? And you can see that only gave me one professor here because I specified it. And this is the filtering system that we implemented in this project. Yeah, so that's about it. We just have like a simple black background here. And then we made like the user text blue and then the button blue because it will pop out more. Yeah, we'd like to improve on the design like a little later in the future. But for now, it's just really simple. We just learned how to use Pinecone for the first time. So yeah, so that's where all our energies went into. And yeah, let's just get explain the project. So yeah, so this is the analytics so far. So for this week, we didn't really work on advertising this project. We are focusing more on the final project because we're going to use a lot of the same technologies for this project into our final project. So we're trying to get a head start on that. So yeah, so far we have 48 users, or I think it might have increased to 50 users right now, so far for our final project, and we have 73 page views. And our goal once again is to get 1,000 users. So this is why we're starting a little ahead right now. So if for this project, I was a backend developer. I was the one who was working with Pinecone and implementing the databases for that. And then Diego was the one who made the UI for this. Mitab was the one who implemented um the OpenAI bot into our project. And then Solman was the one who worked on the front end development. So yeah, so the reason why we created this was because students like need to know which professors are good to take, and this is very helpful for people that are like in college. You don't want to take like a bad professor, and you want to know what you want to know as much as you can about a professor before you take a class. So the solution was that we made a chatbot, and then users can ask like anything they want about the professors that are in the Pinecone database so far, so they can learn more about them. So the tools that we used for this project was OpenAI. Um, that's how we're getting intelligent responses from our chatbot to the user. And then uh, once again, I said that we implemented like a filtering system, and then we used Pinecone to implement RAG into our chatbot, and we used Next.js, React, and Material UI for front end, and we also deployed some Vercel. So the issue with this project was that we tried to implement a feature that allows users to submit links from like actual Rate My Professor pages and then use that link and store the data inside that website into our Pinecone database. We're having a lot of trouble with that right now. So hopefully we get to fix that problem soon and then get that working. So it's just so we actually have like real life professors into our Pinecone database and not um Yeah, and not just like fake professors generated from like OpenAI or something like that. So yeah, so future plans, we're probably, like I said, we're gonna try to implement a link submitting system that people can submit, like you can scrape data from like Rate My Professor, real Rate My Professor pages, and then also implement like a system where users can input like their own professors and their own reviews into our chatbot and into our Pinecone database as well. So the takeaways for this project for this week was honestly we just wanted to like learn Pinecone because none of my group members and we don't have like a lot of experience with this technology. So we tried to understand and focus what Pinecone and RAG and all this really means and does and the implementation of it. And but aside from that, I feel like we really communicated really well with each other. The roles of this project was divided pretty evenly. I wasn't overworked. Pretty sure my team members weren't also overworked. And yeah, we helped each other when there's like if when each of us had trouble understanding something. And yeah, I think we did a great job with this project. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this demo, and I hope you guys have like a really good day.